you'll have to share a table, so get along.
Via party? Nah, doesn't look like it.
Hey there! What do you say to going on an adventure with me? On second thought, never mind!
That jewel on her staff looks pretty old, not to mention expensive. Clearly she's from a wealthy family. That cleric's already been drinking tonight. Tea with the two girls? No, don't think so. Cleric is a popular job, yet everyone's ignoring him. And there's the Draconian, who's seen more than her share of battles. But she reminds me of a wounded animal. Here's to my beautiful ex-girlfriend. Screw adventuring. Screw falling in love. Anyone I meet will end up betraying me later. All I know is...
I'll never trust anybody ever again!